about what the sum of the parts of this business is worth, and why would we have such a level of confidence? You know, in our conservative analysis, whether it's 3 years out or 5 years out or 2 years out, we think this is worth 280 to 320 when you add all the pieces back, and it could be worth a lot more if we get aggressive. And why we feel that way is not based on emotion; it's based on data. And the one thing that we saw since 2014 is you had revenues per share and cash flow per share up 500% each. I'm sorry, revenues per share up 800%, earnings and cash flow up 500%, and the stock price has done nothing. I've only seen one instance of this in history where it's been such a prolonged increase in intrinsic value without an increase in price appreciation, and that was Microsoft did the exact same thing from 2006 to 2013. When they doubled their revenues, they grew their cash flow per share by 200% and their earnings per share by 120%. The stock price did nothing, but in the subsequent 7 years, it was up 1,500%. Not because the performance went up in the subsequent 7 years, it actually did about the same thing, but because it's pushing the beach ball underwater. You can only hold the ball underwater until that intrinsic, once you let go, the intrinsic value is realized. And when it comes all at once. And Alibaba will be no different. The difference is they've grown the intrinsic value orders of magnitude greater than Microsoft did over that 7-year period. And when this thing goes, no one's going to be able to catch up.